Welcome back to Yoga Bay's YouTube. I'm Yoga Bay, and today we're gonna just do a quick, cute, nice juice for your skin, your nails, and your hair. It's gonna kind of not be a juice, it's gonna actually be a smoothie. So today we have a couple of ingredients today, if you guys can look and see. We have bananas, we have avocado, we have cucumbers, celery, kale. We have a lot of things on this plate right now. A little bit of ginger and a little bit of peeled lemon. We're gonna throw this all inside of our blender so we can see how that works, okay? Bananas, we're gonna do bananas. Just throw that in there. We're going to do a couple pieces of avocado. I'm actually just gonna do the entire thing because it's actually kind of going a little bit brown. You can still use it, but I wanted to get rid of it while I can. So we can take the pit out. We're gonna do my favorite avocado. Take the pit out of that. Just throw that in there. Make sure we don't get none of the skin in there. You don't want your skin. Just kind of really messy right now. Alright. So we're gonna do a few pieces of celery. Drop that in there. A few pieces of my favorite cucumbers. So we'll do some cucumbers. Okay, we have a whole thing of ginger, but we're just gonna take a piece because this is a lot of ginger. So we'll take we have some lemon already in here. We're gonna squeeze some more. It's okay. You like one seed in there. It's fine. I don't think one seed is gonna hurt you. Do some more celery. And my favorite, kale. Ooh. Bit. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. I have a lot of stuff in there. We have a lot. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we'll add just a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of water. Let me get some water. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm back. I got some water. Just a tad around it. And what I like is just a little bit of honey. If I can find it. Yeah, it's in there. Yum. Just a little bit of honey. I can get it out. But it's just enough. Just need it on top. Bit. Okay, now we'll just put this on here, like so. You know, I always have trouble. I'm just gonna
2 hours later.
I'm dying. We had it. I didn't take that one. and look at it. Amazing. Let me smell something. You guys come back if you guys want to learn any more new recipes or anything like that. Subscribe, click the link at the bottom. I'm gonna enjoy this. This is good. Bye guys, Yoga Be out.